Hi, I'm Michelle Fernandez with Keller Williams in Highlands. Hey everyone, Michelle Fernandez here with Keller Williams Urban Elite, located in the beautiful Denver, Colorado. We are located just off of 38th and Lowell. I am sitting here today in my virtual office hoping that this video finds you and your family keeping healthy, happy, and safe. I would like to invite those of you that have ever considered home ownership to a guest workshop where we will discuss all of the benefits that home ownership provides for you and your family, leaving behind generations of optional wealth. You will learn the entire process of a real estate transaction, what steps you should take prior to prepare for your purchase, what types of programs are available for you regarding down payment assistance if required. We will go over a complete outline of cost considerations, and we will connect you with the lender that best suits your needs if you don't already have one. So, due to modern times, there are many ways that I could accommodate your needs, whether that be virtually, over the phone, or a good old-fashioned cup of coffee. I'm your gal. If you would like to schedule your buyer workshop, and by the way, please feel free to invite any friends, family, or outside guests that you think may be interested. Please email, text, or call, and I will get you started on the road to homeownership. And as always, thank you so much for trusting me to serve all of your real estate needs. And also, thank you for your referrals to your friends and family. Thank you so much, and stay safe, Colorado. Bye.